Hey guys, it's Carborter here, and let me tell you, viral marketing, specifically with memes, is just stronger than ever. It definitely works. So I've been following Ali G for quite some time now. He posts these crazy memes on his social media, and let me tell you, they do work. They are funny, they are engaging. So I started playing around with his latest software, MemeBuddy, and I started posting some of these memes on my social media profiles, and I was surprised to find out that actually, since I started posting these memes, I received more clicks to my links in my social media bios. So I've been actually tracking this, and I definitely received more clicks. So if you're looking for a simple way, a super simple strategy to drive more traffic, drive up engagement on your social media and get more visitors to your websites, then you definitely want to give MemeBuddy a shot.